From the instant lemons are gently removed from their branches in vast citrus orchards scattered across the major growing regions, they begin a long, highly organized journey through a processing system far more complex and carefully managed than most people ever imagine. Because every single lemon must survive a detailed chain of operations designed to retain maximum freshness, safeguard quality, and meet the particular specifications demanded by grocery stores, juice manufacturers, fragrance companies, and international importers around the world. Once harvesting crews gather the fruit, the lemons are quickly transported to processing centers, where the very first stage, sorting and grading, sets the foundation for everything that follows. This phase is extremely important since lemons destined for premium supermarket shelves, industrial juicing plants, essential oil extraction, or export shipments all require different characteristics in terms of size, color, shape, and external appearance. Before any evaluation begins, lemons must be thoroughly cleaned because they often carry dust from the orchards, traces of soil, fallen leaf particles, pesticides, and natural residues from the environment. For this reason, the fruit is placed on long conveyor belts that lead directly into large washing systems equipped with moving brushes and circulating water tunnels that rinse the lemons repeatedly to ensure their entire surface becomes completely sanitized. After passing through this water-based cleaning treatment, the lemons enter warm air drying chambers that blow filtered air over the fruit to eliminate moisture, which is essential because any trapped water could encourage mold or fungal problems during storage and shipment. Once dried, the lemons proceed toward advanced sorting machines enhanced with high-resolution cameras, optical sensors, and intelligent scanning technology that examine every lemon from multiple angles to measure diameter, evaluate shape uniformity, analyze color brightness, and detect blemishes such as scars, spots, scratches, or surface irregularities. Based on the data collected by these machines, the fruit is automatically sorted into commercial grades. Larger lemons with smooth, vibrant yellow skin are typically directed to fresh produce markets, where appearance plays a major role in consumer preference. Smaller lemons, or those with minor imperfections, are usually assigned to juice processing facilities where exterior appearance holds less importance because the fruit's internal quality, juice amount, acidity, and aroma matters far more. Lemons showing noticeable scars or irregularities are often redirected to factories that produce essential oils, concentrated flavor extracts, cleaning chemicals, and aromatic products. Even though machines perform most of the sorting, trained workers conduct additional manual inspections because human judgment can spot delicate defects that machines occasionally overlook. Once lemons pass this final quality control, they approach the waxing stage, which is one of the most crucial steps for maintaining shelf life during extended transport. During this stage, processors apply a barely visible, food-safe edible wax coating that helps preserve moisture inside the fruit, slows down the natural dehydration process, reduces respiration, and protects the lemon skin from drying or shrinking during shipment. This wax layer not only extends shelf life, but also gives the lemons a glossy, attractive finish that shoppers instantly recognize at produce displays. After waxing, the fruit enters the packaging department, where it is arranged into sturdy cardboard cartons, ventilated plastic crates, or mesh bags depending on its destination. Lemons intended for overseas markets require extra protection, so workers often add cushioning materials, absorbent liners, and specialized dividers to prevent movement and minimize bruising during long-distance travel in cargo ships. Storage and transportation conditions must be controlled with precision because lemons are sensitive to temperature fluctuations. For this reason, cooling rooms set between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 to 13 degrees Celsius, are used to slow down ripening and extend freshness. Maintaining proper humidity levels inside these storage areas is equally essential, since overly dry air will cause lemons to lose moisture, while overly damp conditions might encourage microbial growth. Once packaged and stored, lemons are transported in refrigerated trucks equipped with climate control systems calibrated to hold the exact temperature required to keep fruit fresh. Domestic distribution moves quickly, and lemons harvested only 2 to 3 days earlier often reach grocery stores, local markets, restaurant suppliers, and distribution warehouses across the United States within 48 to 72 hours. For international exports, lemons are carefully loaded into refrigerated shipping containers with atmosphere control systems designed to maintain freshness throughout weeks of ocean travel. Major export destinations include Canada, Japan, Europe, and South Korea, all of which contribute substantially to the economic strength of the U.S. lemon industry. As the industry grows, new technologies play a more important role in increasing efficiency and reducing dependence on manual labor. Traditionally, lemon harvesting has been a labor-heavy process because pickers must carefully cut each lemon from its stem to avoid punctures that accelerate spoilage. However, new experimental robotic harvesters equipped with artificial intelligence are starting to appear in commercial orchards. These robots use advanced vision systems to detect ripe lemons by assessing color, shape, and spectral reflectivity. Once a ripe lemon is identified, robotic arms extend outward, grasp the fruit gently, and detach it without damaging the skin. Although robotic harvesting is still in developmental stages and must overcome challenges related to speed, delicacy, and cost, it shows great promise for solving labor shortages in the future. Another innovation transforming lemon production is the widespread use of agricultural drones. Drones are flying above orchards to monitor tree health, detect nutrient deficiencies using multispectral imaging, and identify water-stressed areas long before symptoms become visible. They also help farmers plan irrigation schedules more precisely, optimize fertilization patterns, and locate early signs of disease, allowing growers to intervene quickly and prevent widespread damage. Smart irrigation systems further elevate modern lemon farming. Soil moisture sensors planted throughout orchards transmit real-time data to computerized irrigation controllers. These systems only activate water lines in zones where moisture levels fall below the ideal threshold, reducing unnecessary water use and ensuring trees receive the exact hydration needed to support strong fruit development. Solar-powered pumping systems are growing in popularity as farmers strive to reduce operational costs and transition toward more sustainable energy practices. Despite technological progress, lemon farming faces increasing threats from climate change. Unpredictable temperature fluctuations, prolonged heat waves, unexpected frosts, severe droughts, and erratic rainfall patterns all disrupt lemon production. California, which produces a significant percentage of America's lemons, has experienced recurring droughts that have forced farmers to adopt strict water conservation programs. Excessive heat can scorch fruit, weaken trees, and damage blossoms, while sudden frost can kill young fruit and hinder overall yield. To fight these climate extremes, farmers use frost prevention tools such as wind machines that circulate warm air on cold nights, frost blankets that insulate vulnerable parts of trees, and irrigation methods designed to help stabilize temperature around blossoms. Disease control remains another major challenge. Citrus greening disease, known as HLB, continues to threaten orchards across the United States and globally. HLB has no cure and spreads through insect vectors. Researchers are developing genetically modified lemon trees with potential resistance to the disease, though commercial use remains years away. Pest populations also shift due to warmer climates, looking at the entire chain from harvesting, washing, sorting, waxing, packaging, cooling, transporting, and